Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Erica and I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle videos. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button down below. Also, make sure you click the notification bell just to see all my future videos. So today we are going to be doing basically a straight to curly video. I'm showing you guys how I revert my hair after straightening. So yeah. Alright, so all I'm using is some water, and I'm going to be using this Cream of Nature Pure Honey hair mask. It says to moisturize, replenish, and strengthen the hair for dry or damaged hair. So this is literally the only two products I'm going to be using. Alright you guys, so this is what we have so far. You can definitely see the difference in length, like the shrinkage in here, but not too much because curly is here by the collarbone, and it's a little bit, it's a good bit past the collarbone. But this is what my hair is looking like. I had to spray a lot of water and put a lot of product, especially in the front area. Hopefully I don't have the heat damage, but I'm not even sure until I like really wash it and stuff. But right here it's a little elongated and it's giving very much heat damage, maybe, I don't know. But I'm gonna do this side off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you guys what the hair is looking like, and then I'm gonna just continue to do my wash day routine. Alright you guys, so this is what the hair is looking like. I miss my curls so much. I hope y'all can hear me over other noises, but I miss my hair so much. I miss my curls. So all I'm going to do is let this mask sit on my hair, and then I'm going to go into my regular routine. This is all I have for this video. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you have not. So yeah, I will see y'all in the next one.